Looking to elevate your Apple Watch Ultra 2 experience? Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a hike, or attending a formal event, having the right strap can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll explore the best Apple Watch Ultra 2 straps that combine comfort, durability, and style. From rugged outdoor options to sleek, professional designs, these bands will help you make the most of your smartwatch while matching your personal taste and lifestyle. Let's dive in and find the perfect strap for you. Number 1. Urban Armor. The Urban Armor Gear, UAG, Apple Watch strap is a rugged and versatile option designed to fit a wide range of Apple Watch models, including the Apple Watch Ultra 2, Series 9, Ultra, SE2, and earlier versions. Whether you own a 49mm, 45mm, 44mm, or 42mm case size, this strap provides a secure and comfortable fit, with a wrist size range from 148mm to 210mm. Breathable design for active lifestyles. One of the standout features of this strap is its breathable construction. Made from soft elastic webbing, the material ensures maximum comfort during all-day wear, especially in active settings. The breathability reduces sweat and perspiration, making it ideal for intense workouts, running, and other activities where your wrist may get warm. The webbing does not retain water, which is a key benefit for swimmers or surfers, staying true to its surf leash-inspired design. Durable, high-quality hardware. UAG has incorporated strong custom stainless steel hardware into the strap, adding to its durability. Number 2. Pitaka. The Pitaka 100% carbon fiber link band is a premium and stylish option for Apple Watch users looking for a lightweight, minimalist design. Crafted from 100% carbon fiber, this band combines durability with a sleek, modern aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking both form and function. Durable carbon fiber construction. One of the most appealing aspects of this watch band is its 100% carbon fiber links. Carbon fiber is known for its strength, yet remains incredibly lightweight. This band weighs only 1.1 ounces, offering an almost weightless feel on the wrist, while still maintaining durability. Although it's a strong material, the manufacturer does recommend avoiding saltwater exposure, which may affect the longevity of the band. Lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear with its smooth texture and minimalist design, the Pitaka carbon fiber link band offers all-day comfort without sacrificing style. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to forget you're even wearing it, while the clean lines and refined look make it perfect for both casual and professional settings. Number 3. MoKo Titanium. The MoKo Titanium band is a robust yet lightweight Apple Watch strap, specifically designed for men who want a high-quality, durable band that doesn't compromise on comfort or style. Compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models, including the Ultra 2, Series 9, SE2, and earlier generations, this band fits Apple Watch sizes ranging from 49mm to 42mm, making it a versatile option for various Apple Watch users. Sturdy yet lightweight design. One of the standout features of this MoKo band is its titanium construction, which strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and comfort. At a net weight of only 0.16 pounds, the titanium material is less than half the weight of pure stainless steel straps, making it extremely lightweight while still being durable. You'll barely notice it on your wrist, which makes it a great option for daily wear or long hours of use. Premium titanium and stainless steel blend. The band is made from 94% real titanium for the links and 6% stainless steel for the two lugs and folding butterfly closure. This combination ensures both strength and corrosion resistance, especially for those who need a band that can withstand regular wear. Number 4. LULULOOK. The LULULOOK Titanium Connector Band is a premium accessory for Apple Watch users who prioritize both style and functionality. Designed for the Apple Watch Ultra 2, Ultra, and Series 9-1, this band is only compatible with case sizes 49mm, 45mm, 44mm, and 42mm. Featuring a unique blend of titanium alloy connectors and fluoroelastomer rubber, this band offers a winning combination of durability, comfort, and versatility. Premium build quality. This band's standout feature is its construction. The titanium alloy connectors are not only lightweight but also incredibly strong, ensuring your Apple Watch stays securely attached at all times. Paired with FKM fluoroelastomer rubber, a material known for its tensile strength, scratch resistance, dust-proof, and fireproof properties, the band is built to endure daily wear and tear while maintaining a sleek appearance. Whether you're at work, in the gym, or out for a casual day, this band offers the perfect balance of durability and comfort. Number 5. Spigen. The Spigen Rugged Armor Pro is a robust and versatile Apple Watch band designed specifically for the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Apple Watch Ultra 49mm. This band is a perfect fit for users looking for enhanced protection and a rugged aesthetic while maintaining comfort and style for everyday use. Everyday scratch defense. One of the standout features of the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro is its focus on scratch defense. Made from a flexible, shock-absorbent material, this band ensures your Apple Watch is protected from everyday bumps, drops, and scratches. The added layer of protection is especially useful for active users or those who tend to be hard on their devices. Whether you're at the gym or out on a hike, this band keeps your Apple Watch looking as good as new. Modern design with carbon fiber accents. The matte finish with carbon fiber accents gives the band a sleek and modern look, perfect for those who want a watch band that stands out while still looking professional. In conclusion, the best Apple Watch Ultra 2 straps offer a balance of durability, comfort, and style, catering to various lifestyles and preferences. Whether you need a rugged band for outdoor adventures, a lightweight option for all-day wear, or a sleek and professional look for formal occasions, there's a strap to suit your needs. From breathable designs to premium materials like titanium and carbon fiber, these straps enhance your Apple Watch experience, providing security and versatility. Choose the strap that aligns with your lifestyle and elevate both the function and aesthetic of your Apple Watch Ultra 2.